Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have my nephew, Logan, who is fascinated by the fabric on my desk at the moment if you hear some unusual noises. He has handpicked a face of makeup for me that is going to look mixed, matched, and so pretty. You ready? Okay, I'm coming. Okay. Show me again, which one do you like?
This one.
You like this one? Okay, hand it to me, and I'll use it. Good choice.
This
We
one.
need blush. Can you say blush?
Blush.
Blush, yeah. All right, this is called Peaches. Can you say Peaches?
Pieces.
I think we need some lipstick. What do we think?
This
Like
one.
we need something for the lips. See? Like one of these, or this, or
This.
or.
This.
What if?
This
Oh, we're back to MAC. We don't want to deal with the drugstore.
one.
We're feeling bougie. You like this one?
Yes.
Okay. Pick one of these.
No, I like that.
Oh, we
This
like
one.
MAC so much more. Okay.
This one.
You like that one?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Really? You don't want to maybe like a lighter one?
And I got this one. Pick another one.
Yeah, pick another one.
This one. This one.
Oh, we're going, it's a ombre lip look that we're doing.
Focus up this one. Focus up this one. Focus up
Can you say
this one.
highlighter?
Highlighter.
Do you like this one? What about this one?
No. This one does.
This is nice. See, it's natural. Don't you like that?
No. This one does.
Well, he's in charge, so I think that we should just sit down and do the makeup. What do you think? You ready to film?
Yes.
Should we start with some eyeshadow?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so Logan has picked out a bunch of makeup here. And, ooh. What do we think? Which one do you want on my eyes?
The ones.
Point to it.
This one and this one.
That one and that one. Oh, okay, we're going for a minty green.
Dine.
Again, you want to do it again?
Dine.
You like this one?
Yes.
Oh. I apologize in advance to my sister and brother-in-law. The baby is going to be covered in glitter. What
This
else?
one and this
Oh, you like bright green. This one?
strawberry. Strawberry.
You like that one? What do you think about this one?
Yes. This one and this one.
Okay, I think that's enough, right? Okay, so
This
we're
one.
going to start out.
This one. And this
And
one.
that one. Which one should I put all over my eyes?
This one and this one. And this one. And this one. And this one. And this one.
2 hours later.
And this one. And this one. And this one.
Right. Got it. Which one should I put first, though?
This one.
The blush. Okay, we could use some blush. Do you know where blush goes? Like this. What do you think?
This one.
Do you like
first.
it? Do you know what this one is called? Peaches.
Like this one.
Where do you want me to use that one?
On your eyes.
Oh, okay. I can do that. So this is from JD Glow Cosmetics, and this is the shade 365. Can you wave to the camera so they can see what's on your
Hi.
hands? Hi. Good job. Do you see what's on your hands? Isn't that crazy?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna put this on the eyes, and Logan's gonna let me know if he likes it or not. Do you like it?
This.
Okay.
This one.
That one? Oh, we want to do the glitter and the green. What do you think?
Do it.
Okay, good. And glitter?
Yes.
Let's see what the name of it is. It's called Wisdom. Can you say wisdom?
Wisdom.
Can you hold it to the camera and say that? You have to hold it up and say wisdom.
Wisdom.
Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs! Can you say, uh-oh, SpaghettiOs?
Oh.
Good job. So this, where should this go?
On your eyes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Should we count?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Ready?
Yes.
That is the chunkiest glitter I've ever seen in my life.
On this one.
Oh my god, I don't know if this is eye safe. Oh, well. What do you think?
Good.
I actually kind of like it, you know?
On your
And
eyes.
this one on my eyes. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do this kind of green. What do you think, like right here? Or here? Okay.
This is so big.
It is so big. What do you think of my eyes?
So boy.
I actually kind of like this look. Is that weird? Logan, you have excellent taste. I really, really like what you selected for me. Do you want to see a swatch on your arm of how
Yes.
glittery this is? Give me your arm. What color is that?
Daddy.
It's color Tati. What color is that?
Daddy.
Dark green?
Yes.
Oh, everything's dark. This is like more like lime green. Like a lime. Can you say lime?
Dumb.
Lime. Okay.
I have Forky.
You have Forky. I think I need mascara. Don't you think I need some mascara?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, which one?
This one, this one, this one.
How about one? Just one. Can you hand me one of them?
1, 2, 3. That's one.
Just one. How about the green one?
Yes.
Okay, I'll take that. Can you say organic?
Oh, dang it. And the big one too.
Oh, you like the pink one too? You're doing such a nice job, Logan. I am so proud of you.
Oh, myself. Oh, myself.
You're gonna open it yourself?
Yes.
Okay, show me. You have to twist it. Can you show everybody what you're doing? Lift it up. Good job. Now pull it out. Whoa! That's pretty cool. I'm gonna put it on my eyes now. Look. Pretty eyelashes.
And this one too.
Oh, it's the layered mascara look.
I can open it.
You can't open it?
Yes.
Do you need help?
Yes.
Say, Auntie, will you please open this?
This open this.
Okay.
I take it off.
Are you a good helper? Oh, oh wow, what are you doing, Logan? Sir?
Looking.
Logan is silly. Are you making a mess?
Yes.
Yes. Should we clean you up?
No.
No. Fine, we'll clean you up after. You think what should I do next? You want me to use this one? You wanted me to use highlighter, remember?
This one's first.
Where should I put that?
On the eyes.
Oh, we're still on the eyes. Okay, I can do this. We're gonna put it underneath the eye though. Like this?
Yes.
Okay.
And I thought it's your eyes.
We're almost done, and then we'll do that. Okay?
Baby, what size? That this a boy.
Oh, you want me to open this?
Yes.
Okay. Did you see that? Okay, so Logan, I'm digging the eyes. I think the 3 mascara situation really did a lot for me. So I like your artistry with that. Can you please pick out a lipstick for me?
This one.
Oh, we're going for orange today. This is a very colorful look. What do you think?
This.
Are you sure you don't want this one instead?
This one.
Oh, nope, I just made it worse. How about we'll just stay with this one?
Take off this one.
How about this one?
About this one.
How about this one?
About this one.
Save me. How about this one?
About this
How
one.
about this one?
About this one.
Really? You want me to put that one on?
Yeah.
Really? Are you sure? It's really dark. It's like dark red.
Dark red.
Okay, we're really doing it up. You like that?
Dark red.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Are you ready?
Yes. Dark red. Should we again?
Did you just say I'm silly looking? Do you like the lipstick?
Should we again? Should we again?
Oh, silly Logan. I was getting offended. I was like, I thought he was saying silly looking to me. Silly Logan. Silly Logan.
Right, two doors. What's this one again?
Oh, you got that one too?
Yes,
Are you sure?
yes.
Don't you think we have enough on? Oh. Okay, you want more.
Nope.
No! What are you doing? You put some on too? Oh my goodness. Silly Logan. Oh, please don't eat that. No, that's not what makeup is for. What do you think of my lipstick? Are we happy? What do you think? What do you think?
Good.
Do you want me to show you what it does?
Yes.
Yes. What color is that? No. Why are you doing that? That's why makeup is important to be non-toxic, everybody. Oh my dear Lord. I'm not allowed to have children, you guys. Maybe this, why would you do that? Your parents are never gonna leave you alone with me. Oh, silly Logan. Silly Logan. Okay, does my makeup look good?
Yes.
Yeah, is it anything else?
No.
No? What about highlight though? I keep trying to get you to tell me to use some highlight. I'm gonna put on highlight. Look in the monitor. It's so shiny. Do you see that? Ooh, so pretty.
No.
All right, I think I feel pretty good. I'm gonna spritz myself a little makeup setting spray so it lasts all day long. What do you think?
And that's Miss Biggest surprise.
Yes, you're going to get a big surprise because bribery works. Actually, I do have to say this, Logan. I like my lip look. I like my eye look. You did a good job. Like, I actually really like this. I am impressed. Do you want a spritz?
No.
Okay, more for me. Ah, you have makeup all over your little face, my friend. Okay, can you blow everybody a kiss goodbye? You want to do that?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye,
Thanks for
guys.
watching.
This is watching. I love you.
Oh, we love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Can you say thumbs this up?
Shut up.
Subscribe.
So bye.
Ring the bell.
Bring a bowl.
See you later.
See you later.
We love you.
Love you.
Mwah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Good job. Oh, you did so good. I'm so proud of you.
Good job, buddy.
Good job. Oh, Auntie loves you so much. Are you ready for your surprise?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. You like it? Should we go inside and play with it?
So bye.